So we talked about adjusting these organic generative design outputs. Next, let's take a look at adjusting prismatic outputs. So prismatic designs come from 2 and 2.5 axis CNC results. Here the history slider is going to show something a little bit different. It's not going to show the T-spline's organic geometry. It will show a series of sketches and extrusions. So let's go back into that T-splines output, the one that we just looked at creating symmetry for. And you'll notice at the bottom, the history is a little bit different, right? It still has the preserves first and then the obstacles. But then there are a series of sketches and extrusions coming up. And that's what's actually making each one of those pockets and each one of those profiles that we see. So if we wanted to actually make some adjustments, the only thing that we have to do is select the sketch twice. And now we can start actually using the control points on these splines to start making adjustments. Now you can use this to either remodel it parametrically if you'd like. You can use this to make sure that you have the right machining allowances. Something that I've seen is really helpful is if you have a number of these points along a line, a very easy way to smooth that out is to say, let's select every other and let's just erase those. Now that's a smoother pocket.